Hi everyone, welcome to Stack Genius Coder YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to make you understand about quicksort algorithm in a simple way. Before that, don't forget to subscribe our channel and hit the like and bell icon. Let's get started. Let's see a picture of quicksort algorithm. As you can see here, this is our input array which contains random numbers which we are going to sort. The first step in quicksort algorithm is choosing a pivot value. Second step is partitioning. Third step is recursively sorting the sub arrays, and the final step is combining all the arrays as one array. The first step is choosing a pivot value. In this array, let's take a last element as a pivot value. This is a common approach. Elements less than pivots are moved to left side. Elements greater than pivots are moved to right side. In our case, 4 3 1 2 is a less than value. 8 6 7 11 9 10 is a greater than values. Again, we need to set a pivot value for this sub array. Let's take a last element which is 2. The less than value of 2 is 1 and greater than values are 4 3. So this array contains only one element, so there is no less than elements and greater than elements, so we can consider this value as sorted value. Along with this element, we need to concatenate pivot value. So 1 and the pivot value is 2. Again, we need to do the same thing. The pivot value is 3. There is no less than value, but we have greater than value. 3 and 4. For this 3, which is only one element, there is no less than and greater than values, so that we can consider this as sorted value. Again, I am coming to here 4. So there is no less than and greater than values, so we can consider this value as sorted value. Now coming to the right side, so here we need to get set a pivot value. The last value is 10. We need to do the same thing whatever we have done in the right side, so the values you will get values like this. So likewise, we need to the quicksort algorithm technique is working. Okay, let's see quicksort algorithm in a programming way. So this is our input array, so which we are going to sort. Let me make one method for the quicksort technique. Which is a return type integer array. This get quicksort method will get the parameter as integer array. So when the array elements are less than or equal to 1, we need to return that array element. Inside the else part, we need to write a quicksort algorithm. First, we need to choose a pivot element. So in our case, which is 2, the last element is 2. We can get the last element by using link query, which is last or default. So this is our first step, Second step is partitioning. We need to separate the greater than and less than values. Likewise, we need to get greater than values also. And one more thing is we need to get the pivot value as well to concatenate value with the less than and greater than. Okay, now we need to recursively call the less than and greater than elements in the else part. Again, we need to call the get quicksort method. We need to pass the less than value and we need to concatenate that equal pivot. And we need to concatenate the greater than. Also, we need to call this get quicksort pivot value, which is greater than. We need to pass it would be processed by using this else part. Now we need to call this quick sort method in the main method. We need to pass this ARR array. I'm going to store these array in one variable and sorted. Okay, it is done. Let's go and run this file. .NET run. Okay, now we got the sorted array from the algorithm 2 4 6 8 10 12. Thank you for watching this video.